Ever looked in the mirror and thought, why are my gums pulling away from my teeth? Am I losing them forever? What if I told you that loose gums can actually be fixed, and it's not as hard as you think? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me. Hi, today I'm sharing 4 secret ways to fix loose gums around your teeth that most people don't even know exist, and 4th one is the most important, don't miss. These steps could save your gums and your smile, but only if you take action right now. You've been told you need expensive treatments or painful surgeries. But what if there's another way? Let me show you something your dentist won't always mention. Step 1. Start with proper gum massage. This might sound strange, but the first step is giving your gums a daily massage. Using clean fingers or a soft bristled brush, gently rub your gums in circular motions. Why? Because this stimulates blood flow, helping your gums reattach to your teeth naturally. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Yet, so many people skip this crucial step. But consistency is key. Do this twice a day for just 2 minutes, and you'll notice the difference. Step 2. Use salt water rinse. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon hiding in your kitchen. Salt water. It's not just for sore throats. Salt water reduces inflammation and kills bacteria that make your gums loosen. Here's the twist. Most people use it the wrong way. Rinse gently for 30 seconds, twice a day. But don't swallow it, okay? You'll feel a soothing difference within days. Step 3. Add vitamin C to your diet. The final step is one of the easiest but most overlooked, your diet. Adding foods rich in vitamin C like oranges, strawberries, and broccoli strengthens your gums and repairs the tissue. Think of it as fuel for your gums' healing process. And if you're not a fan of fruit, no worries. A good vitamin C supplement can do the trick. But remember, you need to stay consistent. There you have it, 4 simple steps to fix loose gums around your teeth. Massage, salt water, and vitamin C. No gimmicks. No painful procedures. Just real results. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, because your gums won't wait for you to decide tomorrow. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.